Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Let's start with our first chapter of information technology, that is our web application. I hope you all know that our code number is 402, and if you go for the book, then right now I am following this old book, information technology, code number 402, that is Goel Brothers Prakashan. तो जब तक आपकी सुमिता अरोड़ा नहीं आ जाती तब तक आप ये बुक मैनेज कर सकते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक accessibility. First topic is accessibility options. First of all, let us know about the accessibility. What is accessibility? Computer accessibility is the way of customizing the functioning of computer parts that enables people with disability or impairment to use a computer. What does it mean? It means that we can customize our computer in such a manner that if anybody is impaired or disabled, so that he or she also can use the computer. Various disabilities are like low vision, color blindness, paralysis, deafness, speech impairment, and many more are there. Low vision means he is unable to see. Color blindness, he is unable to differentiate between various colors, or paralysis, deafness, as you can understand. How can we launch these accessibility options? First of all, go to start button, then open the control panel, and there we have ease of access. In ease of access center we have a long list of accessibility option. First of all, we have magnifier. Magnifier क्या करेगा? Magnifier allows us to see large fonts. That means it is helpful for the people having low vision. Second one is narrator. Narrator क्या करेगा? It enables to read aloud what is on screen. That means whatever is on the screen we can listen that. For the it is used for people having low vision. Again, the third one is on screen keyboard. It opens up on screen keyboard, that is used for the people who are having problem with their hands. They can't use their hands properly. For that reason they have on screen keyboard. Next one is high contrast. It opens up a window showing setting for colors and contrast. That means people having color blindness, they can use high contrast colors so that they can differentiate between various colors. Next one is cursor options. It is an accessibility option that allows to change thickness of our cursor. That means we can, as per our requirement, make our cursor thicker or thinner, make mouse easier to use. It changes settings like color and size of mouse pointer. माउस पॉइंटर जो हमारा एरो पॉइंट है उसकी सेटिंग्स को ये चेंज करता है, ये ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज माउस कीज. इट इज़ एन एक्सेसिबिलिटी ऑप्शन दैट मेक्स कीबोर्ड टू वर्क एज ए पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस. दैट मीन्स we don't have to press different keys on the keyboard, or simply we can make keyboard as a pointing device. Next accessibility option we have sticky keys. What does sticky keys means? These are very important. Sticky keys, toggle keys, whatever these are, sound entry and filter keys. First of all, let's discuss about the sticky keys. Sticky keys क्या होंगे हमारे पास? These are the accessibility options which allow the use to press and release modifier keys. So first of all, let's know about the modifier keys. What are modifier keys? Modifier keys, as you already know, Control, Alt and Shift, these are our modifier keys. Modifier keys का क्या फंक्शन होगा कि ये बाकी कीज़ के कॉम्बिनेशन बना के उनकी फंक्शनिंग को चेंज कर देते हैं. लाइक Control plus L, that is for left alignment in word processor. Control plus R for right alignment in word processor. That means we have same key, that is modifier, control key, but they change the function as they make the combination. For example, for L key they have left alignment function, and with the R key they have right alignment function. So हमारा sticky keys का क्या function होगा कि modifier keys जो है वो always we use in a some combination like Control plus L, Alt plus F4, Shift plus F10, whatever we use. मॉडिफायर कीज़ हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं? कॉम्बिनेशन में यूज़ करते हैं. तो फॉर दैट पर्पज़ वी विल हैव टू प्रेस मल्टीपल कीज़, बट देयर आर सम डिसेबल्ड पीपल who can't press multiple keys for the reason there might be problem in their hands, they can't use multiple keys. For that reason we have sticky keys. Sticky keys क्या करती हैं? They allows the user to press and release modifier keys and they remain active until any other key is pressed. For example, we have to press Ctrl plus L. So we have activated our sticky keys. Then we first press Ctrl and then press L. In that case also Ctrl will remain active until L is pressed. Okay. Next is toggle keys. Toggle keys कौन सी होती हैं? They work in two state, either on or off. Like caps lock है, num lock है. These all are toggle keys. Toggle keys को यहाँ पे हमारे accessibility option में क्या function है? So that they make some sound whenever any toggle key is pressed. Toggle keys create a sound when any toggle key is pressed. That means suppose we have to turn on the caps lock key. Then when we press caps lock key, a sound is released. So this is the function of accessibility option toggle key. Next one is sound sentry. Sound sentry is for the purpose, as we know, sound is related to auditory problems. So sound sentry is related to auditory disability. These accessibility options generate visual warnings whenever computer generates a sound. मतलब जब भी कोई साउंड जनरेट हमारे सिस्टम से होगी तो जिन लोगों में ऑडिटरी इम्पेयरमेंट होगा उनके लिए क्या होगा, कोई ना कोई विजुअल वार्निंग ऑन स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले होगी. लास्ट वन इज फिल्टर की. फिल्टर की क्या करेगी? सपोज समवन इज हैविंग द प्रॉब्लम विद हैंड, हिज हैंड्स शेक very frequently. For that reason, if we press any key, that is repeated again and again. So for that reason we have filter keys. This is an accessibility option that ignores or slow down brief or repeated keystrokes. That means it controls the repeat rate of keys and adjusts keyboard repeat rates. Suppose we have to press E and we are having problem in our hands and E is multiple times pressed, but if we have activated our filter keys, then it will control the repeat rates of the keys. Okay, so these all are our accessibility options. Thank you.